In 2 months, my faceless Instagram account has managed to make over $14,500 in passive income. It's been an up and downhill journey for me, but I'm gonna show you how you can avoid mistakes I made and make the same or even better results. It all began 3 months ago when I took a leap into the Instagram universe with hardly a clue about what I was doing. But guess what? I've cracked the code, and my faceless account has evolved into a money-making machine that practically operates itself. Now, I know what you're thinking. How on earth did I pull it off? But don't worry, I'll show you step by step what to do in this money-making journey on Instagram without showing your face. I'll be your guide through the secretive pathways of Instagram, sharing the blueprint that took this venture to cool results. This isn't just about profits, it's about seizing opportunities. Alright guys, let's break the pattern of gatekeepers. I'm gonna show you exactly what I did, and you can copy and paste this strategy easily. With this knowledge, the possibilities are limitless. I simply can't stress enough how certain I am that you'll be able to achieve similar jaw-dropping results that could turn your wildest dreams into reality. Let's dive into it. Begin by creating an Instagram account centered around something that sets your soul on fire because, trust me, you'll be spending a ton of time creating content around it. If you're not genuinely interested, you'll end up pulling your hair out and losing drive. We don't want that, do we? So, choose a topic that's really your passion. No matter how niche or quirky your interest is, there's an audience out there for you. So don't think that there's no place for you left to make big money. Whether it's travel, sports, health, fitness, or even something as out of this world as underwater basket weaving, you can definitely find your tribe on Instagram. Now that you've got your passion locked in, it's time to equip yourself with the right tools to conquer the Instaverse. You'll need 2 trusty companions to navigate this kingdom of visuals: a top-notch video editor for epic reels, and a sleek design studio for cool posts. If you have a budget, go grab the Adobe Creative Cloud under $15 per month, giving you the full arsenal of Adobe Premiere Pro, Photoshop, and Illustrator. But hey, if you're in a budget, then listen up. Now, pay close attention because this is where the real magic happens. Making posts is one thing, but making them effective is the real game changer. If you want to rock the Instagram game, you've got to get inside the mind of the algorithm. Brace yourself for this one. Likes are so yesterday. Yes, you heard it right. Forget about them. They aren't the golden ticket to Instagram stardom anymore. Instead, the algorithm's all about something way cooler: watch time, saves, and shares. These 3 things hold the key to viral fame and speedy growth. It's time to rethink your strategy and unleash the true potential of your content. Firstly, watch time. It's all about the watch time, guys. How long someone gazes at your content matters more than you think. The longer they're glued to your post, the more Instagram's algorithm takes notice. So always remember to get them hooked and keep them engaged. Next one is saves. The algorithm takes note every time your viewers click that save button. It's like your content just got stamped with a seal of approval. So aim for those saves like your life depends on it. On average, people only linger on a post for a mere 3 to 5 seconds. But don't worry, you can defy the norm and skyrocket your success, and I'll help you with it. No, I'm not talking about romantic dates, but the saves that happen when viewers click that bookmark button. On average, it's about 5 saves for every 1,000 impressions. Next is shares. The more, the merrier. Sharing your content to stories or sending it to friends is the trick. Typically, you get about 2 shares per 1,000 impressions, but I've got some tricks up our sleeves to help you exceed expectations. Now, let me show you some of my most viral posts. They totally obliterated those norms, going way beyond what's considered normal, even 10 times over. And guess what? You can do it too. As you craft your mind-blowing content, keep these metrics in mind: watch time, saves, and shares. Yep, they are your secret weapons to maximize your reach and conquer Instagram. Alright, now let's see how to create those jaw-dropping viral posts and reels that'll skyrocket your Instagram game like never before. First up, let's start by utilizing Canva's power. If your Instagram channel is all about motivation, we'll create a post that's simple yet captivating, leaving your audience wanting more. Yeah, we're about to create a post that screams, "Stop and look." Oh, and we've got a name for it: the hook. Because it demands attention, contrasting, and intriguing viewers. Now, let me introduce you to ChatGPT, my best business partner and your ultimate assistant. It's like having a genie at your service. Ask for some motivation quotes, and ChatGPT will grant your wish. The best part is, you can be super specific. If your channel focuses on sports, you can request quotes from famous athletes or even a particular person. Once you have the quotes, copy and paste them onto your Canva slides and see your post come to life. And if you want to add a little flair, go ahead and play with cool colors and relatable graphics. These types of posts have a track record of going viral, so get ready for success to come your way. Since TikTok's rise, Instagram have become all the rage, and guess what? It's your golden ticket to speedy growth. With Instagram pushing Reels like there is no tomorrow, the opportunity is immense. Check out these jaw-dropping viral Reels, raking in millions of likes and followers in record time. With just a few posts, they amassed staggering followers and conquered Instagram like true champs. This isn't a fluke, this is a real deal. Loads of new accounts are blazing through the Instasphere, claiming their place in the viral Hall of Fame. Don't believe me? Just look at this account with over 1 million followers in less than 3 months. Madness, right? Another account with only 35 posts skyrocketed to over 1.2 million followers in less than 90 days. Wow. Even I put this to the test, and the results were epic. I pulled in over 3 million views on a single silly meme video. The secret? Stay tuned and I'll show you how. It's time to tap into the awesome ChatGPT again. Ask it for simple motivational quotes that'll set your reels on fire. Remember, the hook is essential here too. Your viewers won't be able to look away. Now that you've got your killer quote, it's time to breathe life into it with a captivating voiceover. You can record your own voice if you want that personal touch, but why not let the AI do the heavy lifting? Meet 11 Labs, the reigning champ of AI voice generation. This AI wizard allows you to clone voices or even create your own. Tweak the stability and pitch to perfection until it sounds exactly how you envisioned it. Now that your voiceover is on point, let's make your content visually enchanting. Add a cool background that matches the quote's vibe or theme. But remember, let's respect copyright rules and avoid using someone else's art. That's where Midjourney comes in. It's a paid AI photo generator. But hey, no worries if you're on a budget. Stability.ai and Leonardo.ai are equally impressive and free. Since our quote has 3 main sections, we'll ask Stability.ai to create cool images for us. How about Wolf of Wall Street Leonardo DiCaprio art in digital art style? This is one of many options that suit the motivational niche. Okay, so once your AI images are ready, head over to your video editing software. I'll use CapCut since it's free and super user-friendly. Simply drag and match your images with the voiceover audio. Don't forget to add auto captions to your masterpiece. Click that button and done. Your audience can follow along and stay hooked to every word. We're almost there, but before you hit that share button, run through this viral content checklist. First, will people stop and stare for a few seconds? Second, will people rush to share it with friends or on their stories? Third, will people eagerly comment and give their opinions? Fourth, will people want to save it for future inspiration? Fifth, does your content provide real value and substance? If you can confidently say yes to all these questions, congratulations, you've cracked the viral code. Screenshot this checklist or bookmark in this video because this formula is pure gold for Instagram growth hacking. It's tried, tested, and guaranteed to work. And now it's showtime. Start posting your awesome content. Remember, a good rule of thumb is 1 post per day. Quality over quantity, my friend. You don't want to overwhelm your audience, but you certainly don't want to fade into the background. Strive for that perfect balance and watch your influence soar. When you strike gold, you don't just let it slip away. Take a close look at what's working wonders for your audience. For instance, I noticed my followers loved slide posts, so I went all in and doubled down on them. Don't forget, Instagram's insights are your golden ticket to understanding your audience better. Track your reach, where your traffic comes from, and the likes, shares, and saves your content gets. Be a winner by studying these insights and applying them to your future content. Alright, we've hustled through the previous steps, and now it's time to turn that hustle into cold, hard cash. Monetization is the name of the game, and trust me, it's totally doable. I've personally raked in thousands of dollars from my Instagram account, and so can you. Companies are itching to get their products in front of people who actually care. Your niche audience is a goldmine for them, so seize the opportunity and reach out to these companies directly. Imagine your account focuses on investing, right? Robinhood and other finance apps would drool over the chance to advertise to your followers. All you have to do is head to LinkedIn and search for people in charge of social media for these companies. Send them a friendly, professional message showcasing your Instagram prowess. Attach a media kit with your insights to show them you mean business. Negotiate like a pro and done. You could be making thousands per post. The key is to show you know your stuff. So be confident and pitch yourself as the influencer they've been dreaming of. Now you've got all the tools you need for success, but remember, it's a marathon, not a sprint. Keep that consistency on point. Strive to post something amazing every single day and watch your account grow beyond your biggest goals. It's not about being the best right away. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither will your empire. It's about outlasting the competition and staying consistent. Most people give up too soon, but not you. Be persistent and the rewards will be well worth the effort. I followed every single one of these steps and I never once gave up. And you know what? My persistence paid off big time. I just received a jaw-dropping $3,500 for a single Instagram post. That's not bragging, it's just proof that the big money is waiting for you if you play your cards right. This video probably went by fast, so please rewatch to make sure you followed every step correctly. Please keep in mind, making money always takes time and effort. Have fun and don't give up. It's time to escape the matrix and start your faceless Instagram account right away. Let us know if you will try this out in the comments down below. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more Escaping the Matrix content. And see you soon.